Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making this mold right here. This is a nice little Halloween hat, and this is the bottom of it, which is a pumpkin, and there's a door, and there should be like a little window or something up in this area. So the pumpkin, of course, I'm gonna do orange, and the hat is gonna be black, but where you see this little band going around the hat, I'm gonna make it purple. And I've got my purple mica powder here. I don't have a brand on it. This is one of the ones I got from Temu. I've never used it before, so I'm gonna try it. I like the color of this purple, so we'll go ahead and paint that on here. Okay. And if it goes on the other part, it's okay. I'll just kind of wipe that off. Hopefully it's not going to fall down there or anything like that. If it does, I can always get a Q-tip. So I got a little bit of acetone I can clean that up with. Okay, so I figure this purple and black is gonna look good on this little buckle. So that's what it looks like. So let me get some of my acetone. I bought this little jar with a lid, which I thought was real cute. I got this off of Amazon. It's supposed to be for your nails, but I use it for my crafting. So I got some acetone right here, and I'm just gonna pour some in here. Oopsie. I got some Q-tips over here in one of my bowls that I had made, and I'm just gonna wipe this out. Get as much of that out of there that I can. And then, oopsie, go around. Okay, so I've got the purple in there. I'm finished with that. I'll go ahead and put that away. And I did get a little bit around the edge, but I got it cleaned up. So now the belt and the buckle is all purple. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix up some resin. Okay, so I've got all the resin made for the hat. I haven't done the one for the pumpkin yet. So this is for the hat. And you normally see my usual when I use the black. I'll put a couple of drops of this black in here. And I will also put the mica powder in there as well. There we go. And now I got the black mica powder here. It's this one here. We'll go ahead and put some of that in. And I've got a popsicle stick here. Okay, just put about that much in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and stir that. It should be nice and black. Okay, so I got the black in there. I didn't want to stir this on camera because I know this part is extremely boring. But I've got it already mixed. And I've got the mica powder in there, and I've got the 2 drops of my alcohol ink, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. I'm going to pour just a little bit in here because there is a little thing in the hat here. I don't know if you can see that. And I don't want air bubbles, so I have to kind of squeeze it as I'm putting this in, okay? So we'll go ahead and pour some of this in. All right, I'll go about there. Just enough to get the hole covered. And let me just squeeze that. Get the air bubble out of there. You definitely don't want to have an air bubble in the whole part there. Bubbles. Okay, that should be good. Give it a nice little squeeze in there. Go and pour this in. Okay, and then as I get closer to the top, there are, because the hat is kind of bent around the edges, I want to make sure I get that black in there. So we'll go ahead and pour that. Okay, I'm gonna sit down for this one so I got better control of the hat. Oopsie, just knocked the lid off of this. Move this out of the way here. Okay. So we'll go ahead and pour this in here, and then we'll just move it around because I need it to fall into the edges. See that? See how it's right over here? So I want to kind of tilt it over so we can fill that up. See, there's an air bubble right there. I want that out of there. So we'll give that a little pinch. Work it. A little bit right there. So we'll go ahead and pour some more resin. And that should disappear. See how it's slowly disappearing? Okay, so let me go ahead and check the other side. I got a little air bubble right there. And that should go away. Give it a good squeeze. And then we'll fill this up all the way up to the top. I should have enough resin in there. Okay, scrape that in. And I'm actually going to use my bigger cup because if I use this one, I don't think it's going to fill the cup up. And this is 100 milliliters. So this hat took 100 milliliters. Guys, I got the orange mixed, and what I used, this is the orange I bought. I got this from, of course, Temu. Okay, and I actually really liked that one. It turned out really good, that orange, compared to the other one that I have. The other one is more transparent than that one. That one mixed out really good. Then I also got this mica powder that I put in there, and yes, another Temu brand, or Temu buy. And I really like the way this turned out, this orange. You could see some of the orange, it's got like a, almost like a glittery kind of thing in there going on. I really like that. So we'll see how it turns out when I put it in the pumpkin. All right, so let me stop stirring this because it is already ready. And I don't want to bore you with the stirring. So now let's go ahead and pour our pumpkin. I'll put it right here so you got a good view. And we'll go ahead and pour. And I'm just going to do it slowly. Go ahead. I actually got better control when I pour it with my left hand. I don't know why. I'm right-handed. But I guess because I'm so used to using my left hand a lot of the times. I'm ambidextrous, which is pretty cool. So I feel I have better control of my left hand. And I remember growing up, my mom used to yell at me. You know, I guess back in the day, it was a taboo to be writing with your left hand, but I was a left-handed when I was little, and she used to yell at me and say, put that crayon in your right hand, it's not good. So all right, so I got half the mold already done, and I'm just gonna squeeze it a little bit because I know there's something in there up against the wall, and I got that door right here that sticks out. I just don't want no bubbles stuck underneath that door frame. I think this is gonna be a cute little mold when I'm done. So we'll go ahead and pour some more. And I love this orange. Oh my gosh. Reminds me of like an orange juice. Be pretty cool if it was like scented. And I actually made 8 ounces of this because I knew that this mold was a little bit bigger than some of my other molds. Look at that. I can see some of the bubbles coming up. Just giving it a little stir, a little squeeze and some taps to get the bubbles going. So they come up to the top. It doesn't look like there's a lot of bubbles happening, but we'll see as it sits in the heat. I got my mat on, so the mat might actually bring some of those bubbles up. This is so cool. I really like this. Oh my gosh. I love this color. It looks so good. Go ahead over here. This is another mold that I'm going to be making some more of. I got to go through them one at a time. But look at it. It's all set there. I always like giving it a little stir like this just to make the design kind of swirl, if you know what I mean. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Hey, and thanks for all my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you like them, you can go ahead and share them. I'm gonna try and see if I can do a live video pretty soon. I'm gonna be posting some pictures and stuff like that on there, so we'll see how that goes. There we go. So I'm gonna let that sit and let it do its thing. And then tomorrow, probably in the late afternoon, I will take it out of the mold and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, thanks guys. See you tomorrow. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unmold my pumpkin hat and pumpkin. So let's get into this. This is my first pumpkin hat that I'm unmolding, so I'm hoping it's gonna work. Haven't done this one yet, so we shall see how easy it is to take off. Right now it doesn't seem very easy. We'll flip it around this way. There we go. I like this so far. It's just a little tough to get out of the mold. There we go, there's part of it. All right, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I like the purple. Purple turned out really, really good. Oh, I like it. Okay, let's see. Hopefully there's no bubble in the little tip. Oh, that is so cute. Let me fix the mold. So that's what the mold looks like. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the hat. Oh, it looks so good. The purple turned out so good. All right, let's go take a look at the pumpkin now. Let's see if I can do the pumpkin. I'll put the hat over there. And here's the pumpkin. And I just noticed there's like little windows here on the pumpkin and over here. So that's real cute. And I thought this was an air bubble, but I think that's where the door is. I gotta do my nails today too. I gotta take these ones off and then do another color. These ones are actually changing the color nails. They're like a pink now, but when I get cold, they turn blue. Alrighty, so there's the door. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna move that out of the way so you guys can see what I'm doing. Ugh. There's the little door. Oh, come on. Ooh, might have it going now. A lot easier. I love this orange. Oh my gosh. The orange turned out the orange that I wanted. Oh, Oh, I love it. Oh my God, it turned out so good. I'm definitely going to do some more of these ones. Oh, look at that. Look at the little door. And I can paint the little door brown. And I'll put in the windows here, I'll paint that yellow. And same with that one. Or I might do black. We'll see. You guys will have to let me know what color I should do that. That turned out so good. Oh my gosh. See, it's got the little lip here for the hat. It's right there. So it sits on like that. Look at that. Isn't it cute? It turned out so good. Oh, let me know what you guys all think. I love this. I'm gonna make some more of these and I'll probably bring them to work. That's so cute. All right, thanks guys for watching. Thanks for my new subscribers. Don't forget to like and share my videos if you like to share them. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Bye.